I'm just mentioning the Hoover again because I have never hoovered so much because of this. It's so lightweight. You literally just charge it, kick back, turn on. I've got a little bit of pasta in there, that's why it's rattling. Then obviously empty it. You can also turn up extra stockage. Got little lights on in case you're in really dark. But honestly, it is just so bored. Right, let me see how I remember how to do this. Oh! Yep, brilliant. What I was meant to pull off was this bit here. That just clicks on. So you take this out and you get little nozzles, so you can take it down to the car, do the sides with it, the sofas. It is so lightweight. And I just literally keep it plugged in on charge. And off you go.